Joe again from the North Channel. Beautiful day. Strong wind warning out. 20 knots. I don't think it's blowing 20, but it's rolling pretty good. I got two reefs in the main, and the boat is really handling nice. No issues whatsoever. Probably a little bit undersailed. And like I said, I don't think it's 20 knots. It's just a gorgeous day out here. Beautiful sunshine, blue sky. Just left John Island, Moyles Harbor. Beautiful harbor. Sun's really strong. Getting a little bit sunburned. I got my darky sun hat on, but I'm not getting burnt anymore. I was getting burnt with a ball cap or no cap on. Sunscreen wasn't cutting it. Hi everyone. Don't see any boats out here. Maybe the wind warning scared them off, I don't know. Did see the kids sailing their dinghies at John Island though. Check the GPS, make sure we're not heading for a rock out here. There is a rock out here. I'm in 125 feet of water, but I got a rock coming up on the port side here. Yeah, we're good. Headed straight for Gore Bay, but don't want to go that way, so we're going to have to make a guide back towards Turnbull. Back that way. Basically in the middle of the North Channel, having a ball, rolling around a little bit. This is sailing with two reefs on the North Channel. Small wind warning. Knots of wind. Oh, there's a big one. Here we go. Big roll. Yeah. Couple more big ones. Woohoo, here we go. Whoa. Loving it.